Hola, in this video I'll show how to set up a discussion in Canvas. Let's start from modules. And in this case we're going to change a page into a discussion because that was the mistake in this particular course. So by accident the discussion was set up as a page. So go ahead and you can see the icon here is for a page and not a discussion, which looks like that. So open up the page for discussion number 4. Click Edit. Okay, then we're going to select all of the text and copy that. Okay, and you can just cancel that. We're going to get rid of this as soon as we make the other discussion. So let's go back to modules. And this is in week 11. So now we're going to click the plus sign and we're going to create a discussion. So select discussion from the drop down, create topic. And we're going to label this discussion number 4. Okay, now we'll open that up and click Edit. In the text box, we're now going to paste what we copied from the page. And so that's everything we need for that. And now we're going to scroll down. We'll click Allow Threaded Replies. Users must cast before seeing replies graded and also allow liking. Points possible is set to 20. The assignment group is active participation by default, so we're fine there. And this is due on November 11th at 11:59. Okay, so at this point we can save and publish. Okay, so that's all set up. Let's go back to modules. This is week 11. Okay, this is the page, and we don't need it, so let's go ahead and remove that. And then you can move the discussion up to above the next step. I have 2 of these because I'd already set it up previously, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the one I just made. And that's everything. Please let me know if you have any questions. Adios.